Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sensor and your finger so enrollment succeeds. Clean the glass and your finger. Remove thick screen protectors that change touch response. Once done, open Settings, go to Security or Biometrics, then choose Add Fingerprint. You will be guided to place your fingertips several times at different angles. Do it slowly and lift after each successful vibration. This ensures the system records edge and center data, so unlocking becomes fast and reliable. You now focus on building a robust fingerprint template by capturing variation. Place your finger where the on-screen outline indicates and adjust angle and pressure each time. Make sure to include left, right, and tilted placements. If the prompt asks for subtle shifts, oblige. This reduces false rejections. Once the main scan completes, add a second finger or the same finger twice with a slightly different position. This gives you redundancy and faster unlocks in daily use. You finish by choosing a secure fallback like a PIN or pattern, and then testing the sensor repeatedly. Lock the screen and unlock it several times with a registered finger, using different grips and pressures to confirm consistency. If you use payments or app locks, enable fingerprint authorization now and test with a safe transaction or app entry. If you encounter repeated failures, try cleaning the sensor, reseating screen protectors, or re-enrolling the finger. Those steps fix most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.